Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Handy Mandy from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a circle for the first eye. Then inside, let's draw a circle on the left side. And color this one in black. Now from the top and the bottom, let's draw a small line up and down. And now from the top line, let's draw a wavy line bumping it up and then angling it down all the way on the right. Then curve it down slightly. Then add a circle underneath for the second eye. And then inside this one, let's add a circle on the top. And color this one in black as well. Next, underneath, let's draw another curve down. And then curve it over about a third of the way. Now hop back over to the left side and let's do the same thing. We're going to curve it in about a third of the way as well. Then from the bottom of this line, let's curve it back out to the left and then curve it down. Now from the right line, let's step up inside and let's draw a wavy line down and out like this. Next, let's hop inside and let's add the mouth. Let's start inside underneath the left curve and let's draw a small curve down, then bring it up and back down to the right side. Then from the left side, let's curve it out and bring it in. And then one more curve over to the right. Now let's hop inside and let's add the teeth. At the top, let's draw a V-shaped point in the center. And then one more on either side. Now hop down and from the bottom, let's draw two underneath of it. Then one in the bottom right corner. And then two more on the bottom left. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. From the bottom of the left line we drew earlier, let's continue it by curving it down. Now underneath, let's draw the first arm. Let's step in and let's draw a curve down and out. And then another one next to it on the right. Now from the top line, let's curve it up. And then curve it back down on the left. And then close off the arm with one more line. And lastly, inside, let's add one more curve like this. Now let's hop back over to the right body line and let's continue it by curving it down. Then let's add another curve out and angle it all the way down to the right. Now let's move inside and let's draw the apron. Let's start inside near the top right and let's draw a wavy line across. Then let's curve it down and into the arm. Next, above this line, let's add two curves for the first strap. And then one curve along the right side. Now let's move down and draw the bottom of the apron. Let's start underneath the arm and let's draw a curve down and to the right. Then a wavy line over. A curved V-shaped point down. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. And that's it for the apron. Now let's draw the other hand on the right side. On the right side, let's draw a curve up, and then another one underneath. Now across the end, let's draw 2 bumps like this. And then close off the top with a curve across. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's hop up on the top left and let's add the dorsal fin. On top of the shoulder, near the apron strap, let's draw a curve up and out. And then let's curve it back down and in. Now underneath, let's add 2 rings. Let's start with 2 curves. And then another set of curves around these ones. And that's it for the dorsal fin. Now let's move down and draw the rest of the body. Let's start underneath the left arm and let's draw a curve down and wave it out to the left like this. Then for the end, let's curve it back down. Now let's add the tail. We'll start by curving it up and over to the left. Then for the end, let's curve it back down and bring it back out at the bottom. Then let's curve it inwards, stopping about here. Now let's draw a small line down and then curve it back over, stopping underneath the body. Next, let's add the next fin. Let's move up and inside and let's draw a wavy line down and over. Then hop over to the right and we're going to draw an angle down and then close off the bottom. Now let's continue that body line by bringing it over to the right and curving it up. Lastly, let's add one more V-shaped point on the bottom right. And that's it for Handy Mandy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!